boys and girls. I just want to start by showing you a modeled writing lesson. And I know a lot of my class has already watched us model lots of journal writing, but today we're going to model another one for everybody to see. So the first thing we do is draw a picture for a journal. So I asked you to draw a picture of something that will help the earth, like don't waste water, pick up litter, turn off the lights or the TV when you're not using them, those kind of things. So what I did was I drew a nice picture of me not wasting water and saving electricity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the picture, and then I'm going to next count the words of the sentence that I want to write. So I'm going to say, I can save water. So that's how many words? 1, 2, 3, 4. I can save water. So I'm going to draw 4 lines. I can save water. Okay, we want to give lots of room for us to spell our words. So then next thing we're going to do after we counted how many words we have, and we drew the lines, we're going to start sounding out each word. So I. And we know that I makes 2 sounds. Short letter I says eh. And when letter I is long, it says its name, I. So I'm going to draw I. And boys and girls, I hope that you remember what we put at the front of the sentence. We always use an uppercase letter. So that's the only time you use an uppercase letter. I can cat so that makes the next sound and now I'm going to listen to the sound at the end of that word n. So I know that's n for N. I can snake. Save. And my boys and girls know that there's something at the very end that comes up and bites the A and makes it say its name. And I hope that you remember that it is a silent E. That silent E comes up, it bites the A and makes it say its name. A! So I can save and then we were working on the bossiest letter in the alphabet. My class should know what bossy letter is. Now I'm going to see if you can tell me what bossy letter is. It's the bossy R. And the bossy R takes over the vowel sound. He bosses the vowel when he's with a vowel. So he says, if it's an sound at the end, we don't hear the ER. It makes the like a dog. And that's the ER sound. My class knows that the ER is because that bossy R takes over. And the last thing we do after we've sounded out all our letters and all our words is we read it again to make sure it makes sense. I can save water. And I think most of my students know that we have to put something at the end to know that it's done. And that is I'll let you try to tell me what this thing is. I'm not going to tell you. All right, so that is how we do our writing. And I know boys and girls, a lot of my seniors especially, are really good at doing this on their own. And maybe the juniors can even try it.